Hello techies. In this short video, we will learn how to work with escape test for regular expression test action. First of all, we'll see what are the minimal set of characters that we use to escape test for regular expression. If you see on my screen, these are all the set of characters which we are going to replace with their escape codes. I will show you a small example over here. If you see on my screen, I'm having a text file with all my videos and their links. But if you observe over here, for the Microsoft and the Power, I'm having a space over here. And after that, for one line to another line, I'm having a space. And after that, there is a new line also created after the end of the beginners. And also, if you observe some of the text, I'm having tabs over there. And also, if you observe, there are the spaces between one word to another word, white spaces that we mean to say. All these kind of set of characters we are going to replace with their escape codes like /t, /n, or slash and some other kind of escape codes that we'll use to replace them. To make you understand what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the same file and replacing over here. One is the original one. I will rename it as original. Another one is which I'm going to use escape test for regular expression. After the conversion, what I will do, I will compare these two files to make you understand. All right. First of all, to read the text file, what I will use, read text from file, I will use the action. Let me drag and drop onto the workspace. Now let me select the file path. I'm going to select Power Automate Desktop for Beginners to convert it. Let me click on open. Now the entire text will be stored as a single text value and the value and the variable produced as file content. Let me click on save. Now to replace with their escape codes, what I'm going to use escape test for regular expression. Let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. Now if you see, I'm having only one parameter for this action, that is text to escape. So I'm going to select the file contents over here. And then after conversion of this, with their replacing with their escape codes, the text will be stored in the escape text variable. All right, let me click on save. Now, once the conversion has been happened, what I have to do, I have to write it back to the file, right? In that case, I'm going to use write text to file. Let me drag and drop onto the workspace. Now, what are the file path that I'm going to select? I'm going to select the same path which I have read it. So that is Power Automate Desktop for Beginners. And after that, what is the text to write? That is escape text after replacing them with their escape codes. If you see the file exists, yes, I'm going to override with the existing content and clicking on save. To know the flow has been executed successfully or not, I will use display message on the workspace. I will give the title as flow and display message is flow executed. All right, click on save. To know the output, let's run the flow. Flow execution started, and you can see in the file content, I'm having the original file which we have read it from the file. And after that, after using escape test for regular expression, that the text will be saved in the flow variable, that is escape test. All right. Once it has been completed, it will write back to the same file by using write text to the file. Now flow has been executed successfully. Let me click on OK. Now to make you understand, let me open this text file side by side. Now if you observe on the right hand side, I'm having original file before using escape test for regular expression. On my left hand side, I'm having after using the test action. If you see, I'm having space over here. For that space, I'm having slash space. And after that, if you observe over here, after the beginners, you can see slash or slash and slash t. What does this mean? New line, return, and after that new tab. I have used a tab over here. If you see over here, I have used a tab. In such a way, if I'm going for the Power Automate Desktop, there is also a tab, we will get it. You can see over here, I'm having Power Automate Desktop /t. Here I have used as a tab over here. For that thing, it has been replaced with the respective escape codes. All right, I hope you understand how to work with escape test for regular expression. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.